how to use W app. So for that you need to get it from App Store or Play Store, and after that you need to tell how old are you, then click on get started. After that you need to click on find my school, and here you need to select your grade. After that you can click on search my school, or all the schools nearby will appear over here. Then after that you can search for it, and let me select mine. After that you can click on find my friends, and this app will request the permission to see your contacts, so you have to allow this app to see your contacts. Only after that you will be able to get ahead. And now you can choose your country, then provide your phone number. A code will be sent to your phone number, just provide it and then click on next. After that you need to provide your first name over here, then provide your last name. After that you need to choose your username, then it will ask you about your gender, just choose your gender. And now you need to add your profile picture. You can take a photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery, or you can skip this. So I'm skipping it for now, and this is how it will appear. After that you can invite your friends and play different polls on it. And if you want to create a poll anonymously, then just click on the plus button on the top right hand side corner, and you can create anonymous polls in order to get shipped or ship your friends. Let's get back. And if you want to add your friends, you can click on the bottom right hand side corner. Here you will find all the people from your school. You can add them, and in this list you will be able to see your friends. You can search your friends if there are more people out there. You can click on any of your friend or a person, anonymous person who you don't even know, and check their profile. And all the trophies that you won will appear on this section. And this is how you use W app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.